So not only do you have to be very familiar with the Ucat itself and the questions that you will be facing, but also the keyboard. The keyboard, honestly, you have to treat it like your friend. So you have to know the ins and the outs. So basically what I am saying is that throughout the exam, you'll be using a few keyboard shortcuts, which will make the whole process a lot more quicker, saving more time. And with that time, you can now focus on other questions that you may have missed or got stuck on. So here are just the few keyboard shortcuts that you'll be using throughout this Ucat exam. So you have Alt P, so if you hold down Alt on the keyboard and press P, then this goes back to the previous question. Alt N is the next question. Alt F is flag a question, which is very, very important. Alt C is calculator. Alt V is review only flagged questions. Alt I is review incomplete questions. Alt A is review all questions. Alt S is return to review screen, and Alt E is ending the review. Now, rather than just simply manually clicking calculator or end screen or next, you want to be using these keyboard shortcuts, and in total they could save an average of 30 seconds, which is equivalent to attempting one full question. So doing this is very helpful, and really get used to doing it without having to look at the keyboard. And so really get used to using these keyboard shortcuts throughout your whole Ucat revision.